how to prepare for the first consultation with me. So basically, before consultation, you should have some chronology of the things in your mind. You should know what is the issue, what is your problem, the symptom for which you are coming to me, and since how long have you been having this problem, and how has it been progressing over the duration of time since it started, whether it has been increasing, decreasing, or it has been the same. What medications have you taken from the some other consultant, or some medications you have taken directly from the chemist shop. So you should know, and what was the effect of those medicines on the problem for which you are coming to me, as well as if you have undergone any recent tests in the past, like any health checkups, blood works, some ultrasound, x-ray, maybe a CT scan, if it was done for the reason for which you are coming to me. And we need to know about your past medical history. Past medical history means in the past whether you have had any major illness, any long-term illness for which you were on the long-term medication, because of which maybe you have undergone some surgeries. So if surgeries was done, if the long-term medications, if you have the written documents or the records for those things, please carry them with you. And also we would like to know about your family history, about your parents, about your siblings, and maybe extended families also. So that certain times there are the diseases which run in the families, and according to the information provided by you, we would be able to help you better. And be willing for the examination. In the gynae checkup, examination is a little private and a little internal examination, for which you should be prepared and be relaxed for that, because certain times the women are a little apprehensive and a little shy also about doing that examination. It is a painless procedure. It is absolutely, your privacy has been taken care of, so don't be worried about all those issues. Bring all your documents, be on time, so that we are able to help you in a better way. Thank you.